Interval notation is used to describe domain and range of functions. You use parentheses and brackets to show which values are included and excluded from the interval. So, if you want to represent all real numbers between 3 and 4 exclusively, you'll use parentheses because parentheses show that the value is not included. So it would say starting at 3 but not including 3, and up to 4 but not including 4. If we wanted to do all numbers between 3 and 4 inclusively, we would do the same thing, but we would use brackets because brackets show that the endpoints are included. If I wanted to show all real numbers greater than 0, that would not include 0, so it would start at 0 with a parenthesis because it's not included, and then it would go up to positive infinity, and you always want to put a parenthesis around the infinity symbol because you cannot put a bracket on it. All real numbers less than or equal to 0, that would represent all numbers from negative infinity up to 0, and it does say or equal to, so we will include 0. Whenever you see one that says like all real numbers except 3, this is a whole where it's excluding a specific value, essentially what you're going to do is go from negative infinity up to that number. It's not including that number, so we're going to put a parenthesis. Then we're going to do all the numbers above 3. So this was all the numbers below 3, and now I want to do all the numbers above 3. And the way I combine these two is I use a big U, which represents the union. So this says all real numbers less than 3 or all real numbers greater than 3. Okay? And the last one is all real numbers, and this is simply negative infinity to positive infinity.